So probability, this is very important for class 10 board exam. So first question is, if a disease is chosen at a random from the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, then the probability that is an odd number is what? So you need to find the probability of odd number from here. So here's given the numbers are what? 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total how many numbers are here? 9 numbers. So out of 9 numbers, first we have to find the odd numbers. So here odd numbers are what? Odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2. So odd numbers are what? First odd number is 1, then second 3, then 5, then what? 7, then what? 9. So out of 9, how many numbers are odd? So 1 2 3 4 5, you get 5 odd numbers. So therefore probability of odd numbers, if you chosen the number, if you take a number from this, that number will be odd. So answer will be what? Probability of odd number is what? So how many odd number you get? 5. So 5 out of what? 9. 5 out of 9. So there are 5 numbers out of what? 9. That's why probability of odd number will be resulting outcome. Resulting outcome means you got odd number 5. So odd number value will write in numerator, and total numbers 9 is there. So 9 will write in denominator. So that's why answer will be 5 by 9. So which option will be correct? Option B. Okay, very easy. Question number 2. In a single throw of a die, so the probability of getting a multiple of 3. So this is very simple. If you throw a die, so what outcomes, the possibilities of outcomes will be what? If you throw a die, the outcomes will be the possibilities means outcomes of a dice are what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you throw a dice, only this outcome, there will be chance to come what to say 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, because in that there is 6 outcomes, 1 to 6. Mark what to say 1 to 6. If you throw a die, out of these 6, one number will come. You have familiar with dice. Dice has 6 faces, and a B faces indicate by what to say dot. So 1 dot represent by 1, 2 dot represent by 2. Means every face there is a value there is a value from what to say 1 to 6. So now our question is what? If you throw a die, the probability of getting a multiple of 3. So out of 6 outcomes, which are how many outcomes are multiple of 3? So multiple of 3 means multiple of 3 are what? 3 and 6. Multiple of 3 are what? 3 and 6. Because 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Multiple means divisible. These numbers are divisible by 3. So multiple means if you multiply 3 by 1, you'll get 3, and 3 by 2, you'll get what to say 6. So how many outcomes you got? 2. So therefore probability of what to say multiple of 3 is equal to what? The multiple of 3 is equal to what? How many outcomes are multiple of 3? 2. So 2 out of 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 by 6. So answer will be 2 by 6. If you write in simplest form, so 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. So answer will be 1 by 3. So very simple. Out of 6 outcomes, there are 2 numbers which are multiple of 6. That's why resulting value is 2 and total value is 6. So 2 by 6. If you cancel by 2, you will get 1 by 3. So option B is correct. Okay. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, means if you throw 3 coins together, then the probability of getting at least 2 head. The probability of getting at least 2 head is what? So first you have to write the outcomes. If you throw 3 coins simultaneously means 1 by 1, or if you throw 3 coins together, so how many possibility means how many outcomes will come? So there will be 8 outcomes. So what are they? So maybe suppose this is coins number 1, so this has also head and tail, 2 possibilities. And this is coins number 2, this has also 2 possibilities, head and tail. This is coins number 3, this has also Three possibilities. Oh, sorry, two possibilities, head and tail. So if you throw these three coins together simultaneously one by one, then what possibility will come? How many outcomes will come? And how many chances are there? Right? So first we'll write the possibility. So there are 8 outcomes. So how will write their outcomes? So if you throw coins together, so first outcome will be maybe head. Suppose these coins, if you throw these coins, head come, and this coins also throw head come, this coins also throw head comes. So this is also the what to say possibilities of this coin. Suppose this not come, then the other chances will be what? Head tail. This is also one chance. Maybe this also come. I don't know what outcomes will come. Head come or head tail come. Yes or no? So this is also one outcomes. Head tail head. This is also one chance. Tail head. This is also one chance. Then head tail. This is also one chance. Then tail head. This is also one chance. Then tail head tail. This is also one chance. Then tail. This is also one chance. So how many chances are there? There are 8 chances. So if you three coins together, maybe one, what to say, maybe one outcomes will get from here. Only 8 outcomes will get. So please remember this maximum time, and this question will come in exam. Okay, so if you throw 3 coins together, we'll get 8 outcomes. So our question is what? You need to find a probability of getting at least 2 head. So getting at least 2 head. What do you mean by getting at least 2 heads? At least 2 head means the outcomes which has minimum 2 head. So you need to find, now you need to find what, so to say, the outcomes which has, outcome is results which has minimum 2 head. So you need to find the outcomes, we need to find those outcomes which has minimum 2 head. Why we need minimum 2 head? Because in question says find the probability of getting at least 2 head. So at least 2 head means minimum 2 head. Maximum 3 also not problem, but I need such outcome, that outcome has minimum 2 head. So you see, this is also one chance. HHS. So here 3 head, we need minimum 2 head. 3 head also not problem. Here also, this is also 2 head HST. Yes or no? And this has also 2 head HTA. This is also the chance. Then this also T AHS. Yes or no? And THS. This is to tail, but I need minimum 2 head. I need the such outcome that has minimum 2 head. So this is not our result. This is also not, because here only 1 head, here also 1 head, here no head. So how many outcomes we got that has 2 head? 1 2 3 4. So out of 8, total outcomes you got 8. Out of 8 we got 4 outcome that has minimum 2 head. So therefore probability of at least 2 head is equal to, the probability of at least 2 head is equal to what? Resulting outcome. So how many outcome has at least minimum 2 head? 1 2 3 4. So 4 total outcomes are what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 4 by 8. If you cancel by 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So answer will be 1 by 2. So which option will be correct? Option number, which option will be correct? Option number, what to say? C. So if you throw 3 coins together, and probability of getting at least 2 head is equal to what? 1 by 2. So very simple. First you write all the outcomes possibilities. So we'll get 8 possibilities. Then from them we need we find out the possibilities which has minimum 2 heads. So we got 4. Yes or no? So that's why answer will be 4 out of 8. So that's why answer will be 1 by 2. Okay, so option C is correct. Question number 4. The probability of guessing the correct answer to a certain test question is x by 12. So what is given? Probability of guessing. GUESSING. Sometime you did guess na for choosing the MCQ correct answer, yes or no? So that's same way that student what did is if he or she guess the question, then correct answer possibilities of correct answer will be what? Guessing answer certain question is what? X by 12. Right? If the probability of not guessing, sometime you will confirm, you know what which will be the answer. Sometime you confirm which will be the answer. So not guessing, and he did correctly. Probability of not guessing the answer, is equal to what? 2 by 3. So then the value of x. So this is very simple. How we find the value of? So as you know that, as you need probability of E plus probability of not E. Not E means E bar is equal to what? 1. Means probability of guess question plus probability of not guess question is equal to what? Always 1. Probability of what question? Guess question. Probability of guessing answers plus probability of not guessing answer. है ना? If we add their value, what answer will come? Always 1 come. Yes or no? So as you know that probability of yes plus probability of no means sum total sum of probability is always equal to 1, because probability is nothing but guessing. Sometimes there will be yes, sometimes answer will be no. So probability of yes plus probability of no, always answer what come? 1 come. So now put the value here, probability of guessing. So given is what? Probability of guessing answer is what? X by 12. If you guess the answer, there will be chance to correct x by 12. And probability of not guessing answer means then chance or half of the correct will be what? 2 by 3. So if you add them, so what answer will come? 1 come. So now for finding the value of x, what will do? You have to take the LCM of 12 and 3. So this is very simple. I think you understand, na? Probability of guessing answer is x by 12 and probability of not guessing answer is what? 2 by 3. We need to find the value of it. So which formula we will use? We will use this formula. Probability of yes plus probability of no is equal to 1. So probability of guessing answer plus probability of not guessing answer is equal to 1. Right? So probability of guessing answer x by 12 and probability of not guessing answer 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So now how will find the value? This is a linear equation for finding the value of x. What we'll do? We'll take LCM method. So LCM of 12 and 3 is equal to what? 12. How you know 12? If you don't know, you can apply this from this box also. 12 3 3 4 ja 3 1 ja, then 2 2 ja 1 2 1 ja 1, है ना? So this is very simple. I think you know how to find LCM. So LCM will be 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 to the 6 6 to the 12 6 to the what? 12. है ना? So now 12 was the 12 was the, that's why we will multiply x by what to say? 1. 3 was the 3 was the 3 4 the, that's why we will multiply 2 by what to say? 4. 2 eat 4. 2 by 4 is equal to what? 1. Why I am write x with 1? Because 12 was the 12 1 the 12, है ना? 12 multiply by 12 1 the 12 and 3 4 the, that's why here 1 come, here 4 come. Yes or no? So now if you simplify this, 12 is 12, denominator is 12, x 1 the x plus 2 4 the 8 is equal to 1. So now you see left side is a fraction and right side as a number. We can write in fraction form. Now for finding the value of x, what will do? You have to do what to say? Cross multiply. So x plus 8 into 1, x plus 8 into 1, so answer will be x plus 8, and 12 into 1 is equal to 12. So for finding the value of x, you will transpose what to say? We'll transpose 8 to right hand side. So 8 is plus, goes to right hand side is minus, so 12 minus 8, so answer will be what? Answer will be 4. So that's why x value will be 4. So I think you understand. So this is very easy. So how I got the answer? By using the probability of E plus probability of not is equal to 1, है? So the value of answer x will be what to say? 4. So this is very simple. Try to listen what I said here. and open your copy and write and try to simplify yourself, then you'll understand. Okay. Question number 5. A bag, what to say, this is a bag. So a bag contain 3 green marbles. So how many green marbles are here? 3. G. So 3 green marbles are here, and 2 orange marble. So 2 orange marble are here, 2 orange marble. A bag contain 3 green marble and 4 blue marbles and 2 orange marbles. So how many blue marbles are here? 4. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So if a marble is picked at random, without looking into the bag, if we'll take a marble, if we'll pick up a marble, so that marble will be not orange. Find the probability of that marble will be not orange. So how many this bag contain total marble? This bag contain how many marbles inside this bag has? This bag contain what to say? 3 green marbles plus 4 blue marbles and 2 orange marbles. So total this bag contain inside this bag total how many? 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9 marble are here. So out of 9, how many marble are what to say? Orange marble? Only 2. So we need to find probability of not what to say, probability of not an orange marble. Probability of not an orange marble. Probability of not an orange marble is equal to, so total. So how many marbles are not orange? So only out of 9 there is only 2 orange marble. So remaining marble are not orange, means 9 minus 2, that means there is 7 marble, there is 7 different marble which are not what to say, orange. So that's a resulting answer. Resulting value is 7 out of what? 9. So probability of not an orange marble is equal to what? 7 by 9. Because out of 9 there is only 2 marble which are what to say, orange. So others are not orange. So 9 minus 2 means 7 marbles are there, their color is not orange. That's why the answer will be probability of not an orange, not an what to say, orange marble is equal to 7 by what to say, 9. 7 by 9. So answer will be D. So this is very simple. Total there is 9 marbles are there. So out of 9 marbles, only 2 marbles are orange, and therefore 7 marbles their colors are not what to say, orange. So therefore probability of not orange marble, is equal to what? 7 out of 9. Okay, so option D is correct. So question number 6. The probability of throwing a number, throwing a number greater than 2 with a fair dice. Throwing a number greater than 2 with a fair dice. So if you throw a dice, so we'll get 6 outcomes. Means either out of these 6, one answer will get. So if you throw a dice, throwing a dice, there will be 6 possibilities. If you throw a dice, maybe what come? 1 come, 2 come, 3 come, 4 come, 5 comes. So total 6 possibilities are there. So dice has 6 outcomes, means dice has 6 faces. Every face there will be one value. So that is what mark from 1 to 6. So only 6 possibilities are there. So now you need to find a probability, a number which is what? Greater than 2. So how many times there are how many chances are there, that is that the value of the what to say, dice will be possibility will be greater than 2. So you see out of 6 how many numbers are greater than 2? 1 2 3 4. So total 4 numbers, 4 outcomes are there, their value is greater than 2. So probability of a number which is greater than 2 is what? In denominator total outcome is 6, and numerator resulting value is come. You need a number which is greater than greater than 2. So how many numbers are here which are greater than 2? 1 2 3 4. So answer will be 4 by 6. Resulting outcome is 4 and total outcome is 6. That's why answer will be 4 by 6. If we'll cancel by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 what is it? 2 3 is 6. So that's why answer will be 2 by 3. So which option will be correct? Option C is correct. Okay. So probability number which is greater than 2 is 2 by 3. Okay. Question number 7. A number is selected at a random from the numbers 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, and 9, 9, 9, 9. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totals there are 10 numbers. The probability that the selected number is their average. So I don't know the average of these numbers are what. So first we'll find what to say. First we'll find the average of this number. Then we can find the probability of what to say average. Probability of a number that is the what to say same as average. So how we'll find the average? Average means means. So means of what to say ungrouped data. So for finding the average, so we can use this formula. What formula? Sum of all numbers divided by what to say total numbers. So this is our formula for finding the mean means average. Average what to say ungrouped data and ungrouped numbers. So sum of all number means you have to add what to say 3 to 9. All numbers are here. 3 plus how many 5s are here? 2 5. How many 7? 3 7. Plus what to say plus what to say 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 4 9 divided by what is the total number is 10. So add them, what answer will come? If you add all the numbers 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 7 27, 27 plus 7 is what 34, 34 plus 9 is what 43, 43 plus 9 is what 52, 52 plus 9 is what 52 plus 9 is 61, 61 plus 9 is what 70. So 70 by 10. So 0 0 cancel, so 7 by 1 answer will be 7. So average means of these numbers are what to say 7, means of this means average of these numbers are what to say 7. So now our question is you need to find probability. You need to find the probability that that the selected number is their average is equal to what? Means indirectly he said, our writer said to find out what is it when indirectly we need to find out what it is a probability of 7. So probability, because we got the average is 7, average is 7 means we need to find the probability of 7, isn't it? So if you observe the numbers 3 5 5 7 7 7 9 9 9 9. So out of 10 how many numbers are there? So their value is how many 7s are there? 1 1 2 3. So out of 10 there is 3 7s, isn't it? So that's why probability of a number that is equivalent to their what to say average means probability of 7. Indirectly we can say we need to find the probability of 7. So probability of 7 will be equal to what? Total 3 7s are there, so 3 7 means 3 out of what to say 10. Why I write 3 here? Because there means in question there is 3 7 1 2 3 3 7, so 3 out of 10. So how is easy? This is very easy, first what we did, first you do what to say, first we'll find what to say average by adding all the numbers in numerator divided by total number, so we get 7. So I need the answer. So he said find the probability that the selected number is their average. That means indirectly he said us to find the probability of 7. So probability of 7 is what? 3 out of 10, because total 10 numbers, out of 10 3 7s are there, 3 7s 1 2 3. So that's why answer will be 3 by 10. Yes or no? So this is very simple. So which option will be correct? So that's why option B is correct. Okay, very easy. Okay, question number 8. A number is selected from numbers 1 to 25. So we have 25 numbers. That is what they are what 1 to 25. So if you select a number, then the probability of that number will be prime. So first you should clear the concept of prime. Now, what do you mean by prime number? Prime number means a number which is called prime if they have two divisors. Suppose 2 is a prime number because 2 is divisible by 1 to 1 and 2 itself. So prime number means prime numbers. What do you mean by prime number? Prime number imply the numbers which has only two factors. That is what the number which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. You can say the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 3 also prime number because 3 is divisible by 1 and 3, है ना? 4 is not prime number because 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 4. So 4 has 3 factors, so that's why this is not a prime number. So no, not prime. Clear na? So we have 25 numbers. So out of 25 we'll select the we'll find the prime number. So we have 1 2 ... we have 25 numbers. So this is our total outcomes. So total outcomes, number of total outcome is what to say 25. Now we need to resulting outcomes. So resulting outcomes, because we need to find a probability a number which is prime. So resulting outcomes, so out of 25 numbers, how many numbers are prime? So 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, then 7 is prime, then 11 is prime, then 13 is prime, then 17 is prime, then 19 is prime, then 23 is prime, and then 25 is not prime. So out of 25 how many numbers are prime? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you got 9 prime number because these numbers are not divisible by other number other than 1 and itself. Okay, so therefore probability of a number which is prime, probability of a number which is prime is probability a prime number which is prime, therefore probability of a number which is prime is equal to what? Total we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 prime numbers. So 9 out of 20, 9 out of 25. So that's why answer will be what? 9 by 25, because there are 25 numbers total. How many numbers are there? 25. Out of 25 how many numbers are prime? 9. So that's why 9 out of 25, है ना? So that means which option will be correct? Option C is correct. I think you understand. So this is very easy. So question number 9. Which of the following cannot be the probability of occurrence of an event? So as you know that, so this is very easy. As you know that the value of probability always lies between 0 and 0 and 1. Minimum value of probability is 0 and maximum value of probability is 1. Means you will get the probability in between in between means in between 0 and 1. Sometime you'll get 0 and sometime you'll get 1. But always the value probability of value cannot be never be less than of 0 and cannot be greater than 1. Cannot be less than 0 and cannot be greater than 1. Value of probability always lies between 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1, sometime we'll get 0 and sometime we'll get 1. Other than 0 and 1, you'll get always in between 0 and 1. Means I mean to say the probability of any event always in between the range of 0 and 1. So this is, yes, and this is the possibility of probability. This is the value of probability. 0.2 in between 0 and 1, 0.4 also in between 0 and 1, 0.8 also in between, but this is 1.6 which is greater than 1. And as you know that probability, the range of probability is 0 to from 0 to 1. So this is out of this range, get 1.6 is greater than 1. So that's why Which of the following cannot be probability of occurrence of an event? So answer is D option 1.6. Why? Because this is greater than 1. This is not in the range of this. Okay. So question number 10. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? So this is also same like question number 9. So as you know that the probability, the value of probability always lies between 0 and what to say 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means value of probability start from what to say 0 and end with what anything 1. Man, minimum value is 0 and maximum value is what to say 1. Means value of any event, the value of probability of any event always in this range, 0 to 1. Sometimes you get greater than 0 value, but that value always be smaller than 1, also always in between the range and 0 and 1, sometimes you get the value which is greater than 0 but less than 1. Probability of value cannot be negative, cannot be smaller than 0 and cannot be greater than 1. So cannot be smaller than 0, which imply cannot be smaller than 0, which imply what to say. So we will get the answer easily. We can find the answer easily. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? So this is probability of value cannot be negative because smallest value will be what to say 0. So will not a negative value. So this is yes. This is possibility of answer because if you divide 2 by 3 you will get a value which is in between 0 and 1, which is greater than 0 but smaller than 1. How you know? Because numerator is small by what to say denominator. So if you divide small number by big number, so we will get a value which is in between 0 and 1. 15%. So if you write in fraction form, 15% mane 15 out of 100. So this is numerator, you got small value of 15 and denominator is 100. If you divide 15 by 100, you'll get a value which is in between 0 and 1. So this is also in between this. So only this answer which is not in the range of this. That's why option B is correct. Always remember, when numerator will be smaller than denominator, then decimal form of that fraction, always the value of that fraction is always in between 0 and 1. And that answer is always in between 0 and 1. Greater than 0, but that value will be less than 1. Okay, hope you understand. So this is not hard, easy. Okay, question number 11. The probability of a certain event. So this is very simple. Probability of certain event or sure event always be what to say, always be 1. So always remember probability of certain event is what to say 1. And you should remember this question also. The probability of a impossible So probability of sure and certain. This is called certain. Certain means answer will be always 1 come. And probability of impossible event always be what to say. Value of probability of impossible event is 0. Okay. So remember these two. Okay. Thank you.